Hey girl. So we about to get ready together. So grab your makeup and let's go, because we about to have some good conversation and we about to do our makeup. So let's get into it. Period. To do like a little chit chat, get ready with me. I was trying to kill two birds with one stone because I need to film like the girl chat, like talking topics, and I feel like we haven't chatted in a while, so I need to film that, but I also need to like do my makeup and film another video. So I'm just really trying to like kill two birds with one stone and get it done. Love these Aquafina waters. Also got a lot of stuff to do today. Like, this is my only day off, so I gotta cram a lot of stuff into this day. I already primed my face. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. And I did the base of my brows. They're gonna get messed up when I'm doing my foundation, but I always kind of start off with like the base of my brow, so that way after I do my foundation I just go in and kind of clean it up. This is literally the quickest routine ever, like, and this is really what I do. Like, when I'm doing like full glam makeup, I'll probably do more contouring and highlighting or whatever the case may be, but the base and stuff is usually the same. So I use a mix of these two because I love this color. Like, this color is so good. It's the Golden Caramel 332. This color is so good. But this is not as long wearing as this, so I mix them both together. I get a lot of compliments on my makeup. People are always telling me about how good my makeup looks or how good I do my makeup. And I'm like, yo, this is all from the drugstore, like Walmart, Target, you know, whatever drugstore you could get to. I usually go and get it from like Walmart, because Walmart prices are just usually cheaper than Target. Even if it's just by $1, they still be cheaper. And it's like, yo, you could look nice and beat your face and have really good looking makeup, and it don't have to cost you an arm and 5 legs. Like, it really is not ever that serious. I do not spend a lot of money on makeup. I just don't. I don't want to. I'm cheap, period. And I always get a lot of compliments on my makeup, and people are always being like, I want you to do my makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. And I'll just be like, girl, at one point in time, I didn't know how to do makeup either, but it's really not rocket science. Like, I'm looking over here because my mirror is over here. Let me try to move it over some, so I don't have to turn so far away from the camera. Look at this. Ghetto. That is tacky with the, not ghetto. Let me not say ghetto. That's tacky with the bra strap showing. Like, I'm literally taking this off. This bump has come to ruin my life, period. But yeah, it's like, girl, at one point in time I didn't really know how to do my makeup either, but I learned. And that's what I'm always telling people. You can learn to do anything if you have the determination. You could teach yourself to do anything. Let me not say anything, but most things. You could teach yourself to do most things. Like, you could teach yourself to do your makeup. You could teach yourself to do your hair. I didn't always know how to do like weaves and stuff. I always knew how to braid. I used to braid my own hair when I was in 6th grade, like full on box braid. Like, that's when I kind of first took a chance, and my grandmother let me do it myself, and it came out mad cute. I didn't know how to do weaves. My sister used to do my weaves for me. This is the Age Rewind, the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's so good. Like, I know that stuff claim a lot to like not crease, and I crease a lot under my eyes normally. I just do. I got creases. But this really does help me. This really does help me to not crease. I love it so much. This stuff is good. It's only like $8. But yeah, my sister used to do my weaves for me, and I got tired of waiting on her because she used to be trying to act a little funny. You know you did. She used to be trying to act a little funny, And I get it. She was tired of doing my hair, having to do her hair. I get it, because now that I know how to do hair, people always want me to do their hair and stuff. I don't like to do it. I don't even like to do my own hair. I'm not like I don't want to be a hairstylist. I used to do hair when I was in high school because I didn't have money. So I used to do hair as a means of getting money, but not because it was something that I actually wanted to do. But anyway, I'm saying all of that to say, like, she used to be trying to, like, act funny. So I literally one day locked myself in the bathroom and I was like, you're going to figure this out today. You're going to figure this out today. And this was before YouTube tutorials. Like, this was when I was in high school. I'm like, you going to figure this out. And I did. And I've literally been doing my own hair ever since. So, like, when it comes to hair and makeup and stuff like that, like, you can do it yourself. I promise you. You don't have to wait on nobody to do it for you. Like, you can do it yourself. It's not that complex. I'm telling you, if you are determined to get it done, you can get it done. And that goes for makeup, that goes for hair. And then with the makeup, like, you don't have to get all of these expensive products that people be talking about. You don't have to do that. You could get a beat face for the low. And I know that the girls will tell you that, but they'll do a drugstore routine or a drugstore makeup look, but every other video they pulling out the luxe products. So they ain't really about that life, but they trying to tell you, like, yeah, you could do it. But then you watch them on a regular and all you see is them using is expensive products, and you like, dang, I'm gonna have to get that too then, I guess. But it's like, no, you don't, sis. Like, the girls talk about drugstore makeup, but they don't really be living that drugstore makeup life. You don't need to be spending your rent money at Sephora trying to keep up with the Joneses. You just don't. Like, you good, sis. Go right on down to the Walmart. They got good sweatpants too. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. If you're the type of person who is a little bit scared to get into makeup, you want to get into it, but you don't really know, you feel a little scared, like, practice. On the days where you don't got nothing to do your makeup. Do your makeup. Start playing in your makeup. Go to Walmart, get you a little starter kit. I think it's also too, when you ain't really got no other option, like, and you kind of need to know how to do it yourself. That was me. I needed to know how to do it myself because I ain't had no money. So, and even now, I'm still too cheap. Like, I could have all the money in the world and I'm be like, let me figure out how I could do this myself first. It's the same palette that I always use from shopallthingsbeauty.com. Same brushes I always use from shopallthingsbeauty.com. But let's talk types, y'all. Like, look, I'm already almost done with my makeup. You see how fast that was? But let's talk types. Do y'all base y'all types on, like, physical? Or is it more, like, mental? Like, because my best friend is very, like, physical. Like, the way she, like, her, like, she is well, I ain't gonna say initially, because I feel like anybody is initially attracted to somebody by the way that they look, but I think that, like, for her, like, she is more bound to talk to somebody if they cute to her, even if they not the best. Whereas with me, or even in terms of, like, getting turned on, like, I can't just get turned on by you just because you cute. Like, no. Can you hold the conversation? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm not really, like, a physically attracted type of a person. Like, yeah, of course I don't want you to be ugly, but you also need to, I'm actually going to deepen up this contour just a little bit. But I also need you to be able to hold the conversation and stuff like that. Like, it need to be something else. You need to have some kind of personality. Like, you know, it just can't be like, oh, he mad cute, and that's it. Like, no. It needs to be more than that. So, like, what about y'all? Like, are y'all like that? Like, could a dude just look good and then you like, oh, got me? Or do you want him to come correct? Because I like a gentleman. Like, I like a nice man. I've never been into, like, the dudes that's, like, rough and they ain't gonna treat you with respect. They might slip up and call you a bitch. Like, you can't come around me, sir. It's not gonna happen. Like, I don't want to talk to you. Like, I don't want you in my vicinity. Go away. It's just not gonna work out. I've always been attracted to dudes that just have good hearts. Like, and I could sense that. Like, I'm a very energy sensitive type of a person. So I know, like, if you a nice person and if you got a good heart. Because naturally, I'm a very sweet and giving person. Like, I will dive into you and give you everything, but I need to know that you're deserving of it. You know what I'm saying? This is distracting. Stop. Like, nobody invited you to the party. You can't come. The freak was that? I'm in here hearing stuff. I'm not like a super physical type. Like, I get turned on and attracted by like how well you treat me and stuff like that. Like, I'm not turned on just by how you look. So let me know like how how y'all go. When I first met Rob, I'm not even joking, and this might sound psycho or it might just be manifestation, but I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be my boyfriend, period. Like, he just is. He's gonna be my boyfriend. Because he had such a happy, nice, sweet guy kind of a vibe about him. And if I do have to like subject myself to talking about like a physical appearance, like, I do not like light-skinned guys. I just feel like, and it has been my experience, that they are annoying. Like, oh my gosh, I can't stand. I like dark-skinned dudes with Sunnis that are sweet and nice and kind. So yeah, let me know, sis. Like, what's your type? I want to know your business. Tell me your business. I'm over here spilling all my business. Tell me your business. We are at 12,000 subscribers, and while I love that the numbers are growing, but it's like I also want the community to grow. Like, I don't want to just be growing in numbers and not really growing in everything else. Like, I want it to be, I want to build like a solid community and foundation. Like, I want to have subscribers who mess with me and I mess with them, like personal relationship. I want it to be like, you know, like where I know y'all's, yeah, that one was a little messy. But yeah, where I like know y'all's like screen names when I see, like, and I want y'all to know each other too. I want it to be like a thing where it's like everybody know everybody. Everybody cool. We all cool over here. I feel like we getting there. I feel like it's a lot of y'all that I do know. Like, you know, I feel like I know y'all. I see y'all's names and I'm like, oh, hey sis. You know? And even a couple of y'all that, you know, we exchange emails, you know, so I want it to be like I want to know the faces behind all of these people who are subscribed to my channel. Like, I want to know y'all. Like, I want to know what's up. Like, I want to know you. And y'all know what I say. Like, I feel like you really could get to know somebody through conversation. So it's like in videos like this, I feel like is where we could really get to know each other, where we talking about something and I could kind of get to know how you think, you could get to know how I think. Like, we may have a difference in opinions or whatever the case may be, and that's cool. No love lost ever, unless you come in disrespectful, and then you'll be blocked. But then in that sense, you wasn't never really down in the first place, so I ain't really losing nothing. I wasn't even about to play with you and act like I could talk and do my brows. Here's this tacky strap again. I want you to please take a shot every time this stupid strap pop out. Who do y'all watch? Like, I am needing like people to watch, because the people that I like to watch don't upload no more. And it's just like, come on girls, where are you? Like, I love to watch It's My Ray Ray, well, I loved, because she don't even really upload no more, like consistently anyway. Love to watch It's My Ray Ray. Love to watch Iris. Neither one of them really upload like that no more. Raven Elise, I like to watch. She still uploads, but I feel like her uploads are more like about her house and stuff. Like, she upload a lot about like her house. I mean, I still watch and enjoy, but Ellery, oh my gosh, I freaking love Ellery personality. But she don't really upload like that no more either. But I'm mainly looking for like girls who do like, that's not lifestyle content, but like who vlog and do like chit chat get ready with me's. Like I love to watch chit chat get ready with me's because I just feel like we sitting down having a conversation. Like, yes, and I love to have a conversation. I'm quite the loquacious girl, okay? So I enjoy an exchange and dialogue. Who do y'all watch that make like that type of content? Let me know. Let me know. I'm probably gonna start adding that like after the intro, just so we are all clear, because I am doing a lot of different type of content and I don't want anybody to be confused, and I don't want anybody to, you know, stray away because they feel like I'm not, or I haven't done the type of content that they like and that I'm not going to. Like, you know, my lip gloss that I like to put on is not over here, so I'm gonna just use this one because I got it in my bag still from last night and I don't feel like getting up to get it. Here we go again, Miss Tacky trying to come out. But yeah, I don't feel like going to get it. It's literally this, remember I was telling you all about these from Forever 21? It's the peach one, but I don't feel like getting it, so we just gonna use this one. And I'm gonna top that off with this NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie. Thank y'all so much for hanging out and chatting with me. Do not forget to drop that in the comments and let me know like what you thought about what we talked about today, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I don't know, I feel like only my subscribers really watch like these types of videos, so I'm sure you probably already are, but if by chance you are not subscribed, please take the time to do so now. Join the family. And as I said, we're trying to grow a strong, positive, uplifting community, okay? So if you want to be a part, then make sure to subscribe. Take some pictures for the thumbnail, and that's that on that, sis. So enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for the upload schedule. I'm probably gonna put it in this video, or go to the description box. It's gonna be somewhere it says for the upload schedule, so you know what's up at all times. I don't want you to be out the loop. Let me go, because I'm just trying to hang on to you. I need to let you go. You got other stuff to do today. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.